Hey guys, it's Robbie from Arshan Vlogs here, back for another vlog. Today it's a bit of a surprise. Well, it's not really a surprise to me. I know where we're going, but he doesn't. And so we're gonna go on this journey. Come on, let's go. All right, so we're here. He did not even guess this place. We're at the car wash. And so I'm just gonna put this card in. Magnetic stripe up for all those watching. This is also a tutorial on how to use the Waterway car wash, and we got cars behind us. That's giving me a little anxiety. Outside only.
It's just asking if you want to upgrade.
Oh no. And it's just that easy, folks. With the good help of Waterway. Oh, I might have to take it out and put it back in. There we go. No? Unable to oh, you gotta dip it. Bam. Bada bop boom. Bam. Oh, the gates are opened. The gates open for me. And we're off, guys. And we're off.
You can call me hiding in your Wi-Fi and secrets, anyone can find me.
Alright guys, so we're going through the car wash. This is one of the types where it just takes you through it. You put your car in neutral and you just go on. Whoa. Oh my god, this is crazy. Oh man. By the way, like and subscribe if you haven't. Whoa guys, we're in the dryer part. So this is where they dry off the car because it's gotten wet because they're washing it. And now it's gonna get drier. I mean, it's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. Like and subscribe, don't forget. It's free. I love everybody who subscribes to this channel and likes and even views. Got the cleaned car, so I just wanted to show you guys that. Anyway, that's all for this vlog. Please like and subscribe. See y'all next vlog.